Dogs are obsessed with baths. Because at number 3, Bro's too happy with bath time.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy.
And at number 2, he's too scared to the water.
Let me tell you something. And
Before number 1, like and subscribe if you think this dog cute, and comment a heart if you love dogs. And at number 1, why is her reaction like that?